pulling out everything out of the kitchen sink, huh? You want to open this? Open it? No, this one's yours. This is Ella's. Here.
You rip it?
There you go. Oh. Is that a baby?
Aww.
Did you get a baby?
Look at that. A new baby you can put in your new stroller. Does that baby have a sucker?
I will open it.
Hey, big guy. Hi, Mr. Cameron. Hi, Mr. Cameron. Hey.
Daddy is going to open it.
It is hard to do. It takes a minute. You have to be patient. Is Christmas fun, Ella? Got something in your eye?
I am.
Our little dictator. I am.
How is he attached to it here?
It's a new baby? Do you have your very own new baby?
Daddy's trying.
Bless you, buddy. Bless you, big boy. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
I have no idea what that goes to, but it has a piece that it fits in back there.
I think it must make noise, and maybe that's like the little mechanism for it. Hi, Daddy. Merry Christmas.
Hey, Merry Christmas.
Ella's trying the sucker. That's for the baby. Can you get it in her mouth? Can you put your baby in the stroller? Can you go get the stroller? Can you say Merry Christmas?
There you go. There's the bottle.
Oh, you can feed your baby now.
Do you want to open this one from Grandma and Grandpa? For both you guys, I believe. Here, can you open this one, Ella? Maybe you want to stop it and do a new one.